A medicine ball throw, also known as wall throw or rotational throw, is a full-body exercise involving both the upper and lower body by targeting the obliques, glutes, hippoductors, and upper back. The main muscles worked are the internal and external oblique muscles of the abdominal wall. It builds core strength and is useful for athletes that use rotational motions of the trunk in sports such as golf, tennis, hockey, and baseball. The muscles of the chest, the shoulders, and the upper back, such as the pectoralis major, trapezius, deltoid, and latissimus dorsi, are used to hold up and catch the weighted medicine ball. The glutes and hippoductors are used to rotate the hips so that the majority of the explosive